my beautiful potatoes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is something different. It's not a makeup, this time our face masks from Mask Time. First, say hello to my two spots. Yeah, they knew, they were hiding under my bangs. Say hi everybody, hi Spot. I ordered this from Mask Time. I found it in Vogue magazine. It was at the end of the magazine. Yeah, I'm a basic bitch. So I ordered it last month, and I believe it's an August thing. I'm pretty sure it's an... yeah. It was $9.95 from what I remember. So it's pretty good price for face mask. So let's open that. Ta-da! It looks so cute. It looks really adorable. So what we got here is really nice packaging and ready, set, glow. Thank you for your order. Oh, you're welcome. That's fine. We hope you enjoy this month box and get ready for a little mask time. Okay. This box was handpicked just for you. Oh my god, I feel so special now. And there it is. This packaging is so cute. It's packaged really nicely. I'm scared to open that. I don't want to mess it up. Oh my god. He gave me like one little thing. Is there more free stuff? I'm so excited if I see free stuff. No free stuff? Okay, so what is here? So that is just saying what you have here, and it just explain everything here and what you have to do with your face before face mask and prices. I'm really surprised because only that is $14.99 and I was $9.95 for all of it. That's the deal. So what I have to do first, I already washed and toned my face, so it's done. And now I have to choose my mask. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what mask we got. So first is egg cream mask from Too Cool for School, I guess. Yeah, it is. Okay, so little Korean mask. All of them are Korean. Okay, I think I tried the yellow one already. So yeah, and what that doing to my face? It's egg cream mask pore tightening. Hell yeah, I want my pores to be tight. Suffering from oilness? Not really, my skin is pretty dry. Yeah, I have big pores, massive pores. Blemishes? No. Then we got the mask for you. Let's see what is next. Oh my god, that's so adorable. Look at that one. A skin hue clearing black mask. So I guess it's... oh my god, that little dot over here is so adorable. I like that. I like that. It's so cute. So cute. I feel always bad for opening face masks because they're so cute and I just don't want to mess them up and I want to use them. Do you have like me? Because I'm always scared. So let's see what that's doing. Black face mask from PonyBrownPlus moisturizes, soothes, brightens and purifies, as well as preventing antioxidant, anti-aging and anti-irritation protection for your skin. From those face masks, there are always like so many stuff that they're doing and I never believed that. What we have next, real matte mask. So that sounds interesting. is brand RoyalSkin, I guess. It's in Korean here, so I don't understand. So gonna smooth and soft the skin, that one. And the next one looks so cute as well. It's Volcanic Ash. What's the brand? Esfolio. Okay. Sounds good to me. What that doing? A clarifying sheet mask bursting with volcanic ash. It digs out dirt and dead skin cells. Ooh, that's something for me. Purifying pores and cleaning skin from deep within. Okay, so many things die. So many things I'm too lazy to read, so it's good for safe. It's good for sensitive skin types, so that's good. And that one, so this is a bonus skincare item and this month. Okay, so it's bubbly. I love bubbly everything. Oh, I forgot to say prices of those face masks. So let's say again. That one itself is apparently $4.80. That one is $3.50. That one is £3. And that one is £3 as well. For all those face masks, for all of those face masks, and that one is a really good price. Okay, so I was thinking I'm gonna just test that mask. So I'm just gonna open this one. Wow, there's a big pack of that. Okay, so packaging looks okay. Nothing special. At the inside, it smells kind of like peach. It's like jelly. I'm just gonna put that on my face with a little Glam Glow brush for face mask, obviously. Okay, I'm scared, but there you go. Just gonna. Oh, it's really weird. Okay, just gonna. Oh my god, that's really jelly. Like, whoa. How am I supposed to apply that? Appropriate amount. I guess that's appropriate amount. Oh, I'm supposed to do it faster. It's gonna be bubbly soon. No, it's getting bubbly. Don't want that in my mouth. My amazing forehead now. Okay, I think I used a good amount of that from what I see. It's getting bubbly. I don't know how long. Help! 3-5 minutes. Okay, we'll just leave it for 5 minutes. What? Oh my god, it's tickly. I want to scratch it. Oh fuck, I want to scratch it. Oh, I'm dumb. He gave you like thing in the packaging. Okay, so didn't need that brush, but I didn't sell that. Oh my god, that's itchy. Oh fuck. Oh my god, that's really, really itchy. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. My face looked massive with that weird mask. I look like an idiot, I suppose. is really tickly was the whole time that I want to scratch my face. Okay, I'm just gonna wash that off. Now I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed off the mask. My face feels soft, I guess. A bit softer than it was before. It feels like my pores are tighter. My spots are spotty, I guess. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna use those 3 masks, but I'm not sure about that one because it's for oily skin. I would rather not put that on my face just in case of. Maybe I would just give to some of my friends to try that out. Let me know, guys, which one of you have oily skin so I can give away that to you. Again, I think it's a really good price for all of those products. I would say it's worth it. And that, I think, is a sun protection. It's not even Korean. It says it's made in Korea, but it looks like Chinese. But who am I? Okay, so I would recommend to you guys, if someone lives in UK and want to try the mask time, let me know what you guys think about mask time. As well, let me know if you want skincare videos and makeup videos, or if you know some products that you want to try, I can try it. Until it's not for oily skin, then I can try it. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about everything? What do you want to try from those things, or what do you want me to try? See you in the next video, potatoes. Bye!